This magical tutorial is for everyone, not only for designers or Photoshop experts. I will show you 8 Photoshop most uses works which you can do in just one click. Yes, just in one click, so from now anyone can use Photoshop for your daily needs. Let's start. Background remove. Always we need some background to remove for our product. We can remove the background in just a few seconds and change the background color when image background is a flat color. Now follow the instructions. Select color range and pick your background color, then press delete. You can save it backgroundless or PNG. You can also fill it with another color background under another layer. Here you can see the before and after of this image. Next is image blur. Often we need to blur the whole image or a particular part of the image. Now follow the instructions. Select a particular area. Go to filter, click on blur to Gaussian blur. You can control the amount of blur from here. Then save it. Here you can see the before and after of this image. Next is color correction. Color correction is one of the important parts of our photography or product. This tips is for those people who can't do manual color correction. You can see lots of extra yellow tone or color in this image. Now follow the instructions. Image to auto color. Check the differences by clicking Ctrl+Z. Now save it. Here you can see the before and after of this image. Next is image rotation. Often we need to rotate our image. Very simple way. Just follow the instructions. Image to image rotation, then click on Flip Canvas Horizontal. Then save it. Here you can see the before and after of this image. Now image sharpen. Often we need to sharpen our little bit blurry image. We are showing a very simple one-click way to fix the problem. Now follow me. Go to filter, then sharpen to smart sharpen. And you can control the amount of sharpness. Look at the sharpening part, the tire looks very focused now. Then save it. Here you can see the before and after of this image. Next is contrast. Contrast makes our photo attractive. It increases the highlighted part and decreases the shadow area. Now follow the instructions. Image to auto contrast. Check the differences by clicking Ctrl+Z. Now save it. Here you can see the before and after of this image. Now black and white. Often we need black and white image. It's very simple. Just follow me. Image adjustment, then black and white, then press OK. Then save it. Here you can see the before and after of this image. Next is tone. Tone makes your photo attractive. It increases the light tone of your image. Now follow the instructions. Image to auto tone. Check the differences by clicking Ctrl+Z. Now save it. Here you can see the before and after of this image.